Eiffel Tower. It is located in France and was built between 1887 and 1889 as the entrance arch for the Exposition Universelle, a world fair marking the centennial celebration of the French Revolution. It is 300 meters high, and the idea to build this tower is to dwarf any structure in history and a symbol of the new industrial age. The French also wanted to show the world how dramatically they had recovered from their humiliating defeat by Germany in the War of 1870. The contractor of Eiffel Tower was Gustave Eiffel. The design of it is based on a mathematical equation which had to consider the force of wind as well as effects of gravity. It took 2 years, 2 months, and 5 days to complete the construction. Hoover Dam in Arizona. Hoover Dam is located near Colorado River. The construction of dam started in 1931. Colorado River was controlled and farmers received a sufficient supply of water in Nevada, California, and Arizona. Supply of electricity to the surrounding areas helped in industrial development. Itaipu Dam in Brazil. Itaipu Dam was constructed by the efforts of two countries, Brazil and Paraguay. It was built from 1975 to 1991 on the Parana River. This hydroelectric power plant is the largest development of its kind in operation in the world. This power plant is a major attraction to tourists also. This dam is so huge that the volume of iron and steel utilized in it is enough to build 380 Eiffel Towers, and the concrete used is 15 times the volume utilized to build Channel Tunnel. To build this dam, the course of the seventh biggest river Parana was shifted and more than 50 million tons of rock and soil was removed. Mount Rushmore National Memorial. Mount Rushmore National Memorial is the sculpture of 60 feet high, faces of 4 exalted American presidents, Washington, Jefferson, Teddy Roosevelt, and Lincoln. There is a spectacular view of mountain sculpture from the Grandview Terrace. Interpretive programs are conducted, including evening sculpture lighting ceremony. It was designed by American sculptor Gutzon Borglum. This huge carving is on a granite cliff called Mount Rushmore in the Black Hills of South Dakota, USA. The work began in 1927 and took 14 years to complete. Panama Canal. The Panama Canal is a man-made waterway opened on August 15, 1914, linking the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans through the Isthmus of Panama in Central America. An 8-hour trip through 80-kilometer canal saves a ship 8,300 kilometers on a voyage from Los Angeles to New York. The canal consists of artificially created lakes, channels, and a series of locks or water-filled chambers that raise and lower ships through mountainous terrain of central Panama. It was built by US from 1904 to 1914. It posed major engineering challenges such as damming a major river and digging a channel through a mountain ridge. About tens of thousands of workers were employed, costing around $350 million. Every day, about 40 vessels enjoy the benefits of using the Panama Canal. Sydney Opera House. It is located in Sydney in Australia. It was designed by John Utzon, a Danish architect. The irony was that his design was beyond the capabilities of engineering of that time. Utzon spent several years reworking design and before 1961 he had solved the problem of how to build the distinguishing feature, the sails of roof. It is one of the most famous performing art venues in the world. Inside the opera house, one has the feeling of being inside a sculpture or a semi-transparent seashell. There are nearly 1,000 rooms having restaurants, cafes, concert hall, drama theatre and a music room. Terracotta Warriors. It is located near Xi'an, Shanxi province of China. These archaeological excavations were discovered in 1974. The Terracotta Army are life-size terracotta figures of warriors and horses arranged in battle formations. The army was buried with the Emperor of Qin between 210 to 209 BC. Their purpose was to help the emperor rule another empire in the afterlife. It is believed that the terracotta warriors were based on real-life people, as every face has different facial expressions and features. The Channel Tunnel. It is located in France. The tunnel consists of two single-line rail tunnels with a smaller service tunnel running in between. The rail tunnels were connected to service tunnels at intervals of 375 meters. The train travels with a speed of 98 miles per hour. There are large pipes on the tunnel wall which carry cool water from a plant on the shore at Shakespeare Cliff, and warm water returns there for heat to be exhausted to the atmosphere. The Clock Tower. It is located in London, England and is named after Sir Benjamin Hall, which was nicknamed Big Ben because of his size. He was the Commissioner of Works at that time the bell was installed. It is located on the eastern end of the Houses of Parliament in London. The Clock Tower. It is located in London, England and is named after Sir Benjamin Hall, which was nicknamed Big Ben because of his size. He was the Commissioner of Works at that time the bell was installed. It is located on the eastern end of the Houses of Parliament in London. The clock tower has four faces that are each 23 feet wide. The minute hands are each 14 feet in length. The four dials on the clock measure 22 feet in diameter. Each dial contains 365 panes of glass, one for each day of the year. It is famous for its accuracy. The movement is controlled by the placing of old pennies in the mechanism. The CN Tower. It is located in Toronto in Canada. It is Canada's national tower, an important telecommunication hub and the center of tourism in Toronto. It was built in 1976 by a company called Canadian National to demonstrate the strength of Canadian industry by building a tower taller than any other in the world. In 1995, the CN Tower became a public company. The construction boom resulted in building of many skyscrapers, causing serious telecommunication problems. The CN Tower's microwave receptors at 338 meters and its 553.33 meter antenna solve these problems. There is a very fine restaurant at a great height, and at 447 meter is a skypod, that is the world's highest public observation deck. The Empire State Building. The Empire State Building is situated in New York. It was designed by Shreve, Lamb and Harmon Associates. Total height of this building is 1,472 feet to top of an antenna. The construction of Empire State Building was started in 1930 and took 14 months to complete. The exterior of the building is made up of Indiana limestone and granite trimmed with aluminium and chrome nickel steel. Interior of the building is made up of marble imported from France, Italy, Belgium and Germany. The Gateway Arch is located in the Jefferson National Expansion Memorial at St. Louis, Missouri on the banks of River Mississippi. It is 630 feet tall arch made of stainless steel. Construction of this arch began on Feb 12, 1963 and finished on October 28, 1965. To build this structure, $13 million was spent. The arch is very stable and was built to withstand high winds and earthquakes. Visitors enter the arch from an underground visitors center and can travel to the observation deck at the top in a 40-passenger tram that runs inside the arch. The Golden Gate Bridge is the longest suspension bridge linking San Francisco with Marin County. This bridge was considered to be impossible to build due to foggy weather, strong winds, and ocean currents. Despite of these natural elements, it was completed in 4 years. Even today, when the winds blow with a speed of 100 miles per hour, bridge sways 27 feet to withstand it. Color of the bridge is orange and 2 great cables extending from it contains 80,000 miles of steel wire, enough to circle equator 3 times. The height of 2 towers of the bridge is 746 feet. The High Dam is located in the south of the city of Aswan in Egypt. It was made to regulate water of the river Nile. The construction of it began in 1960 and completed in 1970 with the contribution of Soviet government. This reservoir is now known as Nasser Lake, which spans 500 kilometers across the Egyptio-Sudanese border. It is a blessing to the Egyptians during drought, also helps in having a regulated agriculture system. The Petronas Tower are located in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. These twin towers are the world's tallest building, 88 stories, height about 1,483 feet or 452 meters. This building was designed by Argentine-American architect Cesar Pelli and is basically constructed of steel, concrete and glass. Twin towers are basically reflection of Malaysia's Muslim religion. The Statue of Liberty is located at Ellis Island, New York, USA. This statue was a gift to the United States from the people of France, conceived and designed as a monument to a great international friendship. Construction of a statue began in France in the year 1875 by sculptor Auguste Bartholdi. Then it was shipped to US, where engineering of the structure's assembly was done by Gustave Eiffel. The winds of 50 miles per hour caused the statue to sway 3 inches and the torch to sway 5 inches. The Suez Canal was built to link Red Sea with Mediterranean Sea. The real work of canal construction was done by the engineers of Napoleon around 1800 AD. Because of this canal, time required for trade goods shortened, which would otherwise require a considerably longer sea voyage. The canal stretches over 100 miles from Port Said and the Mediterranean Sea to Suez and the Red Sea. Only one ship can pass at a time.